We'll guide you through how to import and open a PDF in Adobe Photoshop. Here I have a PDF file that I want to open inside Photoshop. So, to get started, open Photoshop on your computer and go to the top left corner and click on File, then select Open. Now locate the PDF file that you want to import, select it, and click Open. You'll then see a pop-up window appear where Photoshop lets you choose how you want to import the PDF. You can either select entire pages or only import the images from the PDF. In this example, I'm just going to select images, but you can choose whichever option works best for you. Once you've selected what you want, click OK and Photoshop will begin importing the PDF. After a few moments, the PDF content will open directly inside Photoshop. You can then click on the layer and convert it into a normal editable layer if needed. And that's it. You've successfully imported and opened a PDF file in Photoshop. If you found this video helpful, then consider subscribing and liking the video, and I'll see you in the next one.